At Shine Solar, our mission is to install happiness. That means happier customers, happier pocketbooks, and a happier planet. We exist to bring homeowners modern energy solutions to help them save money and get the most out of their home. Because we are a whole home energy company, our work doesn't just start and end with solar panels. We take the time to make sure your home is as energy efficient as it can be, giving you cost savings and the most comfortable living experience possible for your home. Over the years, we've been able to help thousands of homeowners both save money and become energy independent. Our customers like us because we stand behind our word, which is our Shine Promise. The Shine Promise is a 4-part guarantee that covers every customer. We want our customers to feel confident and secure in their investment, and we have a long track record of happy, confident customers.
Another thing that sets us apart is our process. It only takes 5 simple steps. First, our energy consultant will make sure that your home qualifies for solar. Then, our team will design a system to optimize your home's energy. And after that, our project management team will gather all the necessary permissions and permits from the county, city, and utility company. And then, our professional team of technicians will install your solar system. And finally, you get to enjoy all the benefits of owning clean energy. It's all about making things smooth and easy.
Our mission to install happiness reaches further than delivering modern energy solutions for our customers. At Shine, we've teamed up with Give Power, which is a nonprofit organization that provides clean water and sustainable energy systems to communities in developing regions around the world. The solar that we put on your roof won't just be powering your home. It will be providing life's necessities to hundreds, if not thousands of people.
This is bigger than solar panels or utility bills. We're focused on the big picture. Our decisions are made with our customers and our people in mind, weighing the best options for the long term. We realize that choosing to invest in your home is a big decision. There's a lot to learn, and we're here to provide you with all the information and guidance you need to make an informed decision. Ultimately, our customers are happy when they know they've made the right choice for their situation.
We install happiness and we deliver confidence by providing a stellar customer experience every single day. And we'll continue to expand our reach across the map to give our customers what they need.